Hi guys, I'm Meriton Jr. from Manaus, Amazon in the Brazil, and this video is for Coursera Creative Programming for digital media and mobile apps. So, this is my final work of this course. I'll be explaining about my code here and my app. Let's try play this. So, here's my app. It's called Crystal Instrument, and it's about 4 crystals that reproduce 4 different sounds. Each one has its area of effect. If I press here, it will play the sound of this crystal. Every edge of this crystal reproduce the same sound, and this other crystal blue reproduce a different one. Listen, it's 2 sounds difference of water, some kind of wet sound, and this other crystal reproduce a different one. Listen, it's different, and this other the same as the second one, but with an effect with a different effect. Here I can change the color of the background. Since this picture of the crystal instrument here it's transparent, I can change it too, but with a different color. Here I can activate a music with this button, and after I press it again I can change it to off. The music is on, I click here again, the music is off, and I can play with the crystals. And this will loop forever. So this is my app. The code is very simple. Here it's all my variables, and here is the size of the screen. Here I load all my images, and here I load all my sounds. Here I set my sounds to loop or not, since the sounds of the crystal will not loop, but here the music will loop, and it's true, it will loop. Here I name my sliders red, green and blue, and here I set the details of my sliders. Since I want the slider to be in the black part of the screen, I change here some position rules to be organized, the music and the slider. And here I set my name to appear. Very simple. Here I create a new button, it's called music, and here it's details. Here the music boolean, it's changed to true. It's not the button, it's the boolean here. And here it's the draw configurations. I draw the crystals to change the size to be organized in the screen, the background colors. Here I made some tester for finding the mouse position to organize it bear the crystals in the screen, and when I click it, here it appears the numbers of the crystals of the mouse in the screen too. Here I made another tester to print the screen here. Crystal 1 equal to mouse X, and minus, it's only to make a space here between mouse X and mouse Y. So it's a kind of tester, very good, very simple, to help me to find the button area. So I made here an expression that helped me to make a rectangle with an area with X and Y to play. Since I click in the rectangle area, and it's very simple. I define the area of iteration, and after it I made the tester. I click and it's all here, it plays very nice. I made it with the other crystals, and it's very simple to work with this kind of organization. Crystal 4, crystal 3, all the area is here to find where I'm clicking, and here it will appear. See, crystal 4 equal 459, and I click here, crystal 3, crystal 2, I click off the crystals and they appear on the only the numbers. Very simple. When the mouse is released in the button B, the music, if it's true, it will play the sound of the player 5, that's the music sound, and after that the music will change to false, else the music will stop. So if I click in the button, the music is true, like it was in the beginning, music is true. So after that the player will play and the button will change to false. The player is playing, so I am false now. I click the button again and it will not read true, so it will go to else, and after that the player will stop. If the music is not true and it was music equal to false, it's not true, so it go to else, the music stop, and after that the music is true again. Let's see the button. Here it's true and it's playing, but when I click it, it will change to false, and I click again, the music was false and it's not true, it's not equal to true, and else will act, making the music stop and change again to true, and I click again and will loop forever. So this is my program. It's very simple, but I worked hard and I hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching.